Tip number 2 to help reduce lying behavior in children. I learned this idea from Jane Nelson, the author of the Positive Discipline book and curriculum. And her tip is, don't ask children a setup question. Meaning, sometimes we ask children a question that we already know the answer to, and we're just trying to get the child to admit something. We're putting that child in a really difficult situation most of the time. Did you knock the dog's water bowl over? And then the child has to say, yeah, I knocked it over, or no, I didn't. And for a child with like all that development going on, all that learning that they're trying to do, and maybe experiencing some negative consequences with making mistakes, that child is going to be so tempted to lie about it and say no. If you know the child did something, don't ask a setup question. Say, I'm pretty sure I saw this happen, or I noticed that the dog's water bowl got knocked over and you were walking there. So would you clean it up? Like, go ahead and jump to what you're really needing the child to do. And because when you're asking that yes or no setup question, you're putting that child in what another concept I learned from someone else, another positive discipline trainer, Lois, is a dignity double bind. They want to tell the truth, but telling the truth might get them punished or shamed or blamed, attacking their dignity. So when we're going to talk to children, avoid those setup questions. Just say what you saw, or say, I'm pretty sure, I'm going to check in with you. I think you knocked the water bowl over, so would you clean it up? I mean, there's so many ways to approach a child about something without asking that setup question, without putting the child in that dignity double bind that they're going to have to decide, do I lie? Because if I lie, then I can avoid a lot of blame, shame, and pain. Or do I tell the truth because it feels safe and my dignity isn't in question here? Go ahead and find a different way to talk to a child about something. Don't put them in that temptation situation to lie.